for VAs, it's very interesting to see kind of how it works. You know, it's very time consuming to call owners. We don't really honestly go on Crexi or LoopNet and look at facilities very often. But this one, I think what happened on this one was one of my VAs called the owner and talked to the owner. And he told him that he told my VA that the property was listed for sale on Crexi. And so that is how he got the property. He said, yeah, oh yeah, my property is listed on sale for Crexi. Like everything you need is there. And then here's my realtor's phone number. You can call my realtor and talk to him. So he actually did talk to the owner, and the owner's the one that told us it was on Crexi. So I don't know if you count that one as us looking on Crexi or not. What do you think? And so that's how we found the property. But yeah, so we don't really go on Crexi or LoopNet. Our VAs call owners directly. They typically are calling around 25 owners a day, right? It's like 20, they said 25 to 30 owners a day, you know, and after that, they don't want to do anymore. So we split their time between building list building, and then calling owners. And we have found so many. Chris is now, and then so the VAs call the owner, right? VAs create the list, and then they call the owners. They do the follow-up. And then if any owner wants to sell, they send the information. They gather all the information first. Once they gather all the information that Chris is going to need to run deal analysis, then Chris will run the deal analysis. And then if he thinks it's a good deal, we can talk about it in one of our meetings that we have, and then he'll just put the offer in. All right. And so that's kind of how it's working. So you don't need us if you don't want to. You could hire your own VA and do it that way as well too. But if you want to get into the coaching program, then you can utilize ours. And then what we'll do is we'll just hire a VA and have them like scour the whole state that you're in, whatever areas that you're interested in. Just call all the owners and then just keep following up. That's what we'll do. Okay. I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited.